Hello, and welcome to another update video about Solana. The Solana chart appears frozen at the moment, yeah, little bit frozen, just sideways consolidation, still in the pattern that we discussed in the last video. So it is entirely possible that we are still in this B wave after wave 3 topped on the 16th of November. Basically, the idea is we're now in the wave 4. That's the primary scenario. In the alternative, we could still be in the third wave. But let's put that aside. That base case at the moment is that we are in a fourth wave. Only a break above $76, or to be more specific, $76.14. If it's a, let's say, a more sustained break, only that would indicate, especially if it's a 5-wave move, that we are still in the third wave. Until then, the price can also go up in a high B wave of wave 4, okay, which is part of the correction already. It's just possible that in corrective patterns, the B wave does move above the top of the third wave. That is entirely possible. We call that an overshooting B wave. Absolutely possible, especially if the A wave, which is the first wave of such a correction, only reached was a 3-wave move. Yeah, so it was a 3-wave move and was shallow, yeah, compared to what the entire correction should do. Yeah, then the B wave can easily overshoot. So it might be doing that, or at least we could be still working on the B wave. The B wave itself is one of the most difficult waves to predict, even though I hate that word, but it seems to be unfolding as a W, X, Y structure. And the idea is that in this Y wave, an A wave topped. That was today. A wave might have topped and we had a rejection from our resistance area. Could have bottomed in the B wave and we could now rally in the C wave. Okay, there's no evidence it has started yet, but this would be the point where it could start. So to explain, such a B wave can unfold as a 3-wave move. Such a 3-wave move can be, in this case, a WXY pattern. WXY means it's just a so-called double zigzag or double combination pattern where we have different ABC structures connected together. And the wave W is clearly a 3-wave move, the wave X as well. And yeah, the Y wave would have to be an ABC as well. So it seems like we topped in an A wave, came down, B wave might be complete, could also make another low, that's hard to say. And then if we see a 5-wave move above $66.65, which is the A wave high, yeah, then we could be moving up in this C wave of Y of B. Yeah? Targeting $68.30 all the way up to $76.14. It would take a break. Well, to be honest, it takes a break below $51.60 to confirm that the B wave has already topped. Okay. With each swing low that's taken out, it would increase probabilities that the B wave has already topped. Essentially, what we're just watching for are some kind of, some pieces of evidence that the B wave has topped. First indication would be a break below $59, the last swing low. Better confirmation would be a break below $53.60, that swing low that was made on Monday. And eventually, confirmation will be a break below the A wave low at $51.30. And then if we have those confirmations, we can calculate a target for the C wave to the downside. Hard to say, we can't really calculate the target without having a B wave top. So at the moment, this price action is a little bit ambiguous. As I explained previously, it could also be that this entire pattern morphs really into a triangle structure. That means if we now come down and is forming actually a higher low above the A wave low, then this would rather be an indication that we're dealing here with a triangle structure. So there is not much more to add. Just want to give you a quick update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.